If you see these rock patterns, you might be standing on gemstones. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to identify them yourself. Imagine being able to look at a seemingly normal rock and know that within it lies a brilliant crystal, formed over millions of years deep within the earth. That ability is not magic. It's science, observation, and patience combined. Gemstones are not scattered randomly across the earth. They form through specific geological processes that create distinct rock patterns and veins. Most gemstones are the result of igneous, metamorphic, or sedimentary activity. Each type leaves unique clues in the rocks surrounding it, and understanding these processes is the first step in becoming a skilled gemstone hunter. For example, Kimberlite, the primary host rock for diamonds, often appears as a pipe-like formation cutting through older rocks. Its surface may show angular fragments, unusual colors, or a distinct texture compared to surrounding soils. These clues are subtle, yet once you know what to look for, they become unmistakable. Spotting Kimberlite can be life-changing for gemstone prospectors, as the presence of these rocks often indicates deposits formed deep in the Earth's mantle, carried upwards through volcanic activity. Similarly, pegmatites, which host gems like tourmaline, beryl, and garnet, form in coarse-grained granite. Pegmatites create visible, coarse crystals and veins that run through hillsides. They often appear as veins of large, shiny quartz or feldspar crystals with spaces between them where smaller but highly valuable gemstones can grow. These veins are nature's hidden laboratories, slowly crystallizing minerals over countless years. Observing these coarse-grained formations carefully can reveal the secret treasures they hold. Gemstone veins are fractures or spaces in rocks filled with minerals. These veins form over millions of years when mineral-rich fluids seep into cracks and slowly crystallize. There are several key vein patterns to recognize, and learning to identify them is essential for any gemstone hunter. Linear veins. These are straight or slightly curved lines cutting through host rock. They often indicate hydrothermal activity, where mineral-rich water fills cracks over millions of years, leaving behind veins of crystals. These linear veins can vary in thickness from mere millimeters to several centimeters, and they are often the first indicator that gemstones may be present below the surface. Observing the orientation and color of these veins can give clues about the type of minerals inside. Not every rock hiding gemstones will be immediately eye-catching. Often, subtle clues in texture or color hint at hidden riches, and learning to read these signs is an essential skill. Shiny or glassy crystals. Even small, glimmering quartz crystals on the surface can indicate a nearby gemstone pocket. Color contrasts. Dark host rocks with streaks of lighter minerals often contain veins of gemstones. Observing the distribution and orientation of these color contrasts can help pinpoint where to focus further exploration. Unusual rock hardness. Gem-bearing rocks tend to be harder or more resistant to erosion than surrounding soils. Running your hand over rough, grainy rocks or tapping them lightly can reveal differences in texture and density that hint at hidden veins below. Even slight variations in hardness may indicate the presence of a mineral-rich pocket. Let's examine some of the most common gemstone veins and their telltale patterns, highlighting the signs that can guide your search. Diamond and Kimberlite. Kimberlite often shows carrot-shaped pipes with fine, fragmented rocks at the surface. Weathered kimberlite can appear reddish-brown or gray, with small, shiny fragments called kimberlite indicator minerals. These fragments, often garnet or chromite, are subtle but invaluable clues. Spotting these minerals on the surface is like reading nature's treasure map, guiding prospectors to areas where diamonds may be embedded deep below. Emerald and schist. Emeralds form in metamorphic rocks, rich in certain elements, creating layered, foliated veins. Schist veins containing emeralds often appear greenish or slightly streaked within gray or black rock. Observing these faint hints can lead to the discovery of hidden emerald crystals within the rock. Topaz and tourmaline in pegmatites. Pegmatites are coarse-grained granite veins. Large quartz crystals or feldspar streaks indicate a high likelihood of hidden tourmaline or topaz. Pegmatites sometimes display multicolored crystals in a single pocket, an exciting and revealing clue for gemstone hunters. The varying crystal sizes, shapes, and colors can indicate the richness of the vein and the diversity of gemstones present. The location of rock patterns also matters. Most gemstone-bearing rocks are associated with tectonic activity, ancient volcanic systems, or riverbeds where erosion exposes veins. Understanding geological settings allows prospectors to focus their search in areas with higher potential. Mountainous regions. Metamorphic and igneous veins are common in these areas. Look for cracked or foliated rocks with linear veins, unusual mineral inclusions, and subtle variations in texture. Even slight changes in rock color or hardness can be indicators of hidden gemstones. Plains and flatlands. Certain pipe-like formations often weather down in flat areas, leaving indicator minerals scattered on the surface. These mineral fragments, sometimes tiny and easy to overlook, are critical clues. Carefully observing and collecting these pieces can reveal the location of a larger buried vein. Riverbeds, erosion washes gemstones downstream. Rounded pebbles with unusual sparkle, color, or density can indicate a source vein upstream. Studying the flow of the river and the distribution of mineral fragments can help trace the gemstones back to their origin. While visual identification is critical, using simple tools enhances the efficiency of gemstone hunting. Magnifying lens, inspect mineral grains and tiny crystal fragments closely. Even a small glittering speck may reveal the presence of a hidden gemstone pocket. Rock hammer. Carefully open cracks to examine veins. Striking gently can reveal interior patterns without damaging delicate crystals. Metal detector. Useful for gold or metallic gemstone hosts. Detecting metallic minerals that often accompany valuable gemstones. Careful observation, combined with geological knowledge and the right tools, can significantly increase the chances of finding gemstones. Patience and persistence remain key, as gemstone hunting often requires repeated exploration and close study. Look for irregular linear or branching veins. Observe unusual colors or shiny specks in host rocks. Identify coarse-grained pegmatites and foliated metamorphic rocks. Collect small fragments for further study, but always ethically. Track rivers and streams for eroded gemstones downstream. Remember, the world beneath our feet is filled with hidden beauty. Every rock, vein, and mineral fragment carries clues to treasures waiting to be discovered. If you walk carefully, observe keenly, and respect nature, you may find yourself standing on gemstones without even realizing it. On Pro Gems, we celebrate the art and science of gemstone discovery. Keep exploring, keep learning, and perhaps one day you'll uncover a treasure that changes your life forever.